IEBC has condemned the recent wave of political intolerance witnessed in the ongoing campaigns in Kisumu, Kabarnet and Thika. Chairman Wafula Chebukati says action will be taken against culprits of election offences.
This show of political intolerance should not be condoned in a democracy like ours. The objective of the Electoral Code of Conduct is to provide a conducive environment for free, fair and credible elections. The Commission has therefore dispatched its team of investigators to collect more information on the above cases and others. We wish to reiterate that under the provisions of the Electoral Code of Conduct, the Commission could take several measures, including fining offenders, suspending campaigns in areas prone to violence, and or barring candidates participating in the election. We call on all candidates, political parties and their supporters to conduct their campaigns with utmost restraint and in strict adherence to the Electoral Code of Conduct.
All right.